Guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Cameron, and welcome back. Or did I say if you're new here, welcome? I mean, if you're returning, welcome back. Today's video is gonna be, I guess, like a review trying, I don't know, first impressions of, let's see, can you cover this? Right here, we'll cover my name, Miss KKW Beauty. I don't know when I bought this. I bought this in like December. So here's the box. It's super cute. It's all nude. And here's some paper. And then here comes this. I bought the Conceal Bake Brighten Majig Jig. Let's see if it has like anything. Let's see what it says. So I bought the Concealer Kit 5 Light Medium with Warm Undertones. I don't know if that was right, but I bought it. So this is what it comes with. Comes in this little plastic paperwork. And does this say the price? No, it does not say the price. Okay. Well, I bought this in, when did I buy this? Order date, y'all, order date 11/28/2019. I bought this in November. So it comes with a brush. So let's take this out. It comes with this little tiny brush right here. You see? It comes with the KKW Beauty Concealer Dual Brush number 2. So this is a duo brush. It's like a brush and a bouncy thing. I don't know if you're supposed to wet it, but we'll see. So we're gonna set this here. Next thing is a KKW Beauty Concealer Duo brush 1. So this is like a, I don't know what brush. Includes one to, so this is for your concealer. So we'll unpackage this. So like that. Cute. Okay, oh, it comes with a little postcard. So this is gonna be the, okay, so this is KKW Beauty Conceal, Bake, Brighten. So that's what we're gonna do today. It just has all this stuff. Pause it if you wanna read it. If you don't wanna read it, well, don't read it. Okay, there's that, and then it comes with 3 other products. So one is going to be this one. So this is Bake, and it says 2, so maybe they're all labeled. Oh, they're all 225. So I got Bake. This is Bake, and this is number 2. This is what it looks like. This is cute packaging. Let's put that in the box. This is what it is, Bake 2. So I guess this is the baking powder. It says KKW Beauty. You see, look there, you see. Okay, there's the second product. Next, or that's the third product. The next one is, this is a number 2, and this is the brightener. So this is also same sort of component. Let's open this one. That's what it looks like. Ooh, fancy schmancy. I didn't open this one. Here, we'll open this one. Comes with a little taggy tag here. Taking this off first. Doesn't it smell like anything? So that's cute. And then the last but not least is the concealer. So this is the KKW Beauty Concealer, and this is number 5. So let's see. I don't know if that's really gonna work for me, but let's see. We're gonna do a little swatch, I guess. That might be a little bit too warm for me, but you can finagle it. There you go. That might work. Okay, so it comes with all these products. Let's see if I can hold them all up. Okay, I'm gonna pull this up just to see the pricing wise, just to see, because honestly, I don't remember how much I paid for it. So, one second. The kit, if you buy the kit by like itself, it's $80. I think I got it when it was a deal because that was in like Black Friday-ish almost. So I don't know how much exactly I paid for it, but if you get the kit, it's $80. And then if you don't get the kit and you get each thing individually, it's kind of expensive. So if you get the baking powder, which is this one, this is just $18, which that's kind of cheap by itself. If you get the brightening powder, if you get that, it's $18 also. If you get the brush, just the plain concealer brush, this one, it's $18 as well. And then if you get this brush by itself, it's $18 also. And then if you get the concealer, it's $18 by itself. So everything is $18 by itself. So the total for all that would be $90. You basically spend $10, save $10 if you get the bundle and you don't, you get all the items, which that's kind of good. She gave you a $10 deal. I guess we're gonna get started. I'm gonna go ahead and do primer and probably put some foundation on the skin. And this actually, I was reading this. This is kind of steps, so it basically tells you what to do. So yeah, I'm gonna be right back so that I can do the foundation, the primer, and we'll be right back. Okay, so I feel like my brow's like a little bit intimidating today, but we're back and we're gonna go ahead and put this concealer on. So we're gonna conceal, bake, brighten. That's it, right? Yeah, okay, so how to apply. Conceal, apply liquid to under eyes and blend for flawless. Okay, we're good to do that. So here is concealer number 5. And we're just gonna do some lines. Okay, we're just gonna try the under eyes first. So I'm gonna try, I don't know if I should try the brush. Let's try one eye with the brush and one eye with this. So, oh, I dropped something. Okay, so, I don't know if I like this already. I feel like I need a bigger brush to do the job. I mean, it looks nice. Might need to add a little bit more concealer. So we'll just add some down here, because we are trying to brighten these eyes. Okay, so let's try to, I'm gonna use this brush to do my clean up my under eye, underneath my eyebrow. So just take a little bit here. Just go like that. See what this does. I'm gonna use this side. Let's just start blending it. I guess this is gonna be, what is it? My eyeshadow base also. Clean up over here just a little bit. Overall, looks decent so far. I don't know. Definitely look brighter. And then we're gonna go ahead and go in with this thing on this side. I'm gonna add some more because it's probably dried. Okay, so I'm gonna take this. What is this? Oh no, it says it on the paper. This definitely gets the job done faster. I'm just, I guess, bouncing it like a beauty blender. Okay. And we'll just use this same sort of brush here to conceal two, I don't know. And then this one, just to blend it out. And then just do the same thing here. This brush definitely holds product, so that's good. that there's a lot left over from the other eye. I like both brushes. They're okay. They're okay in my book. Okay, so then the next thing, well, I guess I'll conceal the rest of my face. Gonna do the forehead. Then go down my nose. That's not a straight line. Down my nose, and then do a tap over here. And then just do maybe like just a little bit more, just to get it a little bit more coverage. This is probably not as much coverage as I would like. I'm gonna take this. I don't know if you're supposed to wet this, but I didn't wet it, so. I think it's doing a good job if you're not supposed to wet it. Overall, the brushes are working well together. I mean, the brushes are, of course they're gonna work well together, but everything is working. I mean, I don't have any complaints. I just feel like this brush, I mean, to take it off, is it? It's already like, if I wanted to take it out, I could. So that's a minus. Next is the baking part and then brightening. So this is the bake. Okay, so we're just gonna put some, this is bake 2. So we're just gonna put the bake here. We're gonna take the same little sponge here and we're gonna bake underneath our eyes. This little component thing is kind of small though, so you're gonna have to dip back in. But this powder feels really smooth, like it doesn't feel like it's like chunky or anything, so that's a good thing. But like I just dumped some and I'm already finished with that little amount. So I guess it's a good thing that this is little, because then you're not gonna use, you know, a whole bunch of powder. And if you use all of it, then you're good. You're not having like a major spillover. What's also good is this powder's not making me like cough or anything, because put too much powder on, sometimes it'll make you cough and it'll feel crazy. I mean, this little brush is good too, because it, instead of being like a beauty blender, it's not getting your hand all messy, because that's what happens when I use beauty blender. And it's got a little point on there, so I can just go like, I don't know, the little things. Okay, so we're gonna let this bake. I'm gonna wipe away all the bake. I'm gonna use this side of the brush. I definitely feel brightened, but I also feel really dry now. So like right here, it's stuck in my little crease there. Let's just put on. Okay, so I like how brightening it is, but I think I might not leave it on for that long. So then now we're gonna use our, that's our bake. This is our brighten. So this is brighten. Okay, so this one, let's see, opened. Am I opening it from the wrong side? Okay, so this one, it says, brighten using a fluffy brush end of a concealer brush 2. Which one's concealer brush 2? Concealer brush 2 is this one, the big one. So we're gonna use the fluffy side, and we're just tapping into it, and we're just gonna brighten. which I don't think I need to brighten anymore. Maybe we need to brighten up here some. In here. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyes really, really quickly off camera. And yeah, we'll be right back. All right, so this is the final look, I guess. My little like Kim K sort of inspired, I don't really know. Yeah, recap. So this is all the products that you get. I have a little brush over here. The brush, this, and for 80 bucks, I think that's a great thing. You can get 3 products and 2 brushes and a little sponge thing. So I think it's definitely a good thing. I really like this one, the brightening one. I don't know if I can, yeah, the brightening. It kind of reminds me of the, let me open it. Reminds me of the, where is it at? Miss Dragon Beauty right here. Reminds me of this. Like Dragon Beauty and this one are similar. So I definitely recommend these. I'm probably gonna get more of them. I like this powder. It was like really, really like fine milled. Like you can see, ooh, fine milled. And it's like a light pink, so maybe they have, try the other colors. And then the concealer, I liked it. You know, it's concealer. It did what it was supposed to do. The brush, this one, I mean, I like it, but I don't know because it's kind of like coming off already, but I did like how squishy it was. And then this, it's kind of cool because it has that clean middle part. I don't like to have my hands all dirty. My hands are filthy right now. But yeah, and a dual-ended, this one was good. I mean, maybe I'll use this for like eyeshadow instead because I'm more of a kind of a quick kind of concealer, not like. But overall, I think for all these products, 80 bucks, that's a good deal. You get 3 products and 2 brushes and a sponge. 3 brushes, I guess, if you can, the tips, and a sponge. So that's a great deal for me. Yeah, so that's my little recap, my little thought process. And just to, I guess, oh, I did use the brightening stuff inside my inner corner. So I'd like to sort of make it look a little bit more brighter inner corner. And I'm wearing little lashes, the premium synthetic lashes in Dallas. So these kind of gave me that little Kim K vibe. So I definitely think I'm going to be buying more stuff from Kim Kardashian West, because I love her. I'll play the Kim Kardashian Hollywood game. If you have it, you know. But yeah, that is, I guess, the end of the video. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.